This video is created for digital literacy, learning to learn with computers, trimester 3 2014 on basic math in Excel. So basic math in Excel. I will be covering addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in this module. So here we are, subtraction, addition, multiplication and division. And we'll provide you two methods of to perform the calculation. So the first method is just to write down the digit 7 plus 9 plus 5 plus 4 and press enter. You actually get your answer. Now there is a second method which is a faster method. You need to put you need to put the equal sign and select the cell. So for example 3000, but then you need to put plus and 6,000, which equals to 9,000. Now instead of writing down the whole entire number, you can just put the select the cell or write down the cell. So equals, I can say D2 plus, okay, 5. It will still give me the correct answer. Now the third method, which is the final and fast method. Okay, now you need to select the cell and click on AutoSum. It has provide you the adding. It will do that for you. All you have to do is just click on it and it will give you the sum of this particular cell, and then you can press enter. Easy. Okay, the same thing applies if you're going through the rows. Let's say I'm going to put AutoSum and yep, enter. Now subtraction, we can go through the first method again, but this time use subtraction. But this method takes a long time, so it takes a long time until you get it. Now we can do the second method, same as addition. So equal sign 3000 minus 9,000. It's going to be a negative number, so minus 6,000. Now, and we can do this method here as well. So equal sign 2.555 minus 6,000, and here we are. We have our answer. Okay, multiplication. Before we go to multiplication, now unfortunately we cannot use this function, or I don't know if we have this particular function. Okay, but we'll have more tutorials about this. Now if we go to multiplication through the first method is pretty easy as well. Okay, put the equal sign, 7 times 9, okay, equals 2, and we get our answer. The second method is to select the cell. Okay, so equal sign 3000 multiply by 5,000, and that should give you the answer. Now the second method is always fast because I can select multiple cells. So equal sign this cell times by this cell times by this cell, enter. Okay, now as I said earlier, the functions I will be providing more tutorials on how to use it, because I don't have that much information about it. Okay, division. Okay, we can try the first method. 7 divided by 9, whatever, divide by 5, divide by 4, and we get our answer. We can also do the equal sign 3000 divided by 7 equals. Okay, now this function, it's basically like the AutoSum, but I don't know a way how to do it though. I will be investigating this later on, and we'll give you or upload another video about it. Okay, now with the second method, it is very simple. Why? Because you can choose, let's say 9 divided by 4, okay, and then multiply by 7. Oops, where did it go? equals. Okay, so this is the end of this tutorial. You can go on Microsoft's website for the Excel tutorials, and this is where I got my information. Okay, now there is more. This is just a basic tutorial. You can go on to this video, basic math, and learn. You can also go on using functions in Excel, operator order, and more complex form. So here, using functions, this is where we're up to, and we should be covering soon about it. Now, if you're having troubles with the with Word document as well, you can write that down, and there is continuous training about it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video, and have a great afternoon.